guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom. Today I'm doing the video because Greg just went in and got a tune-up on his heart, but he's doing well, so you guys are going to be stuck with me for a minute. Today we're sitting in front of a beautiful 1999 Prowler. They made 3,931 of these, and this is one of them. Beautiful red, just an absolutely clean car, 9,000 miles. What a great modern day hot rod right here, guys. I can't see any scratches, blemishes on the paint. Looks absolutely beautiful. What a fun and great looking car this is. Remember, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are non-consignment. So every car in here is because we love it and we think it's great quality. Check out the interior there. Beautiful leather interior. Nice, clean vehicle. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My name is Tom, 248-974-9513. I'm available 7 days a week. And remember, we can always help you with transportation, financing, the whole 9 yards, because we want to park this dream in your driveway. Looks like we got one little scuff right there. Passenger side looks absolutely beautiful. I love these chrome rims too. I wish they would have kept on making these, but here's your chance to own one because they're only going to go up in value. So give me a call today at 248-974-9513. My name is Tom. And let Vanguard Motor Sales park this Prowler in your driveway. All right, guys, let's take this little 99 Prowler for a ride. You feel like you're in like the time zone with this. You feel like you're driving a street rod in 1999 that rolled off the factory floor. Very cool car. Very limited production. Only 39, 31 were made of this. And I'll tell you what, they're a lot of fun to drive. They handle great. They got good pickup, and best of all, no top. How can you beat that? Remember, at Vanguard, we're non-consignment. So everything you see in our showrooms here because we want it here. We've been parking dreams for over 2 decades, and we do about 99% of our sales sight unseen over the internet. This one, everything's working in here. Radio works as well. All the gauges are working. We're even blowing a cool air conditioner on us because it's in the 90s here today. You can call me today and we can help you park this dream in your driveway, from financing to transportation to the whole 9 yards. We can make this happen, guys. We're available 7 days a week. My name is Tom. My number is 248-974-9513. If you know anyone selling a car, feel free to have them call us. We're always looking for high quality inventory. You can visit our website at vanguardmotorsales.com to see all our high quality vehicles as well. We're going to be pulling this back into our location in Plymouth, Michigan. We're going to get it up on the hoist. We're going to show you the undercarriage so you can make a great informed decision on your Prowler investment. Here's where it all happens. Actually, this car matches the building perfect. Red hot, baby.
All right, guys, we got our Prowler up on the hoist here. So, starting from the back here, you can see that we got our trans cooler right here. The transmission, it's like more like a transaxle that's in this car, is called a 42LE. Now, it's an overdrive transmission. The final drive ratio is something like 3.89 to 1, somewhere in that ballpark. Now, factory disc brakes on it, factory control arms, factory suspension. It looks to all be original with the car, which is no big surprise given that it's got like something like less than 9,000 miles on it. Of course, too, factory, looks to be stainless factory exhaust on it. Another cool thing about this one is that it having just a bare aluminum frame, it doesn't even look like it's oxidized. All the welds are nice and sharp. I can see some of the laser etching from some of the factory part numbers all still in it. So all very, very nicely kept. This one, when it was stored, I could tell it was stored in a very climate-controlled condition, because you wouldn't get this on a car that just sat, you know, in a normal, like a garage or something like that. Concrete can cause oxidation. So very, very well kept. Obviously, the floorboards are in beautiful shape. Looks like it's got the factory stainless muffler on it. I can see an aluminum drive shaft poking out up there. Coming forward here, once again, laser etching on the frame there for some of the part numbers. I do believe the torque converter is actually housed up here, and then the drive shaft bolts to that and gets sent all the way back there. It's kind of an interesting piece of engineering. This is the underside of our Chrysler 6-cylinder here. We're going to get to that in just a second. Of course, this is a more modern car, so power rack and pinion steering. No big surprise there. Coming forward to that even, I mean, once again, all looks factory original stuff here, all very, very well kept. It doesn't look like it got rained on or got driven in the rain very much at all, which is really nice to see, especially on something that's low miles like this. Very well kept. Factory exposed suspension, very cool. Factory wheels and tires, factory disc brakes in the front. For tires, we have Eagle GSDs. Let's see, what's the size on these guys? 225/45 R17s. For the rears, quite a bit bigger here. We have, see your Goodyear Eagle GSDs, and they are 295/40 R20s here in the back. So, that all being said, let's take a look at the Chrysler 6-cylinder under the hood. Okay guys, here it is, virtually untouched. You can see here all of the stickers and stuff like that for like our belt routing, our emission system stuff. It's all here, nice and clean, doesn't even look like it's had water on it. This here is the 3.5 liter V6 Chrysler motor here. This is a 24 valve engine. I believe these are overhead cam. In 1999, this thing made 253 horsepower, a little north of 6,000 RPM, and 255 foot-pounds of torque. Overall though, once again, very, very clean here. None of the bare aluminum even has any oxidation on it. I mean, there's no grease on anything. Very, very, very well kept. Batteries peeking out just underneath here. And something else you can even see, some of the paper tags even on the engine itself are very well kept. You can see from underneath the car there, just on the front cover of the engine. So overall, doesn't look like moisture has gotten to anything. All the firewall paint looks like it's in great shape. None of that nonsense going on down inside of there. I mean, overall, very, very beautiful. No dirt even down in the nooks and crannies. And once it gets in there, it's really hard to get out, which implies to me that it's never been there on this car. So, that all being said, guys, give Tom a call at the number below. Let Vanguard Motorcycles park this stream in your driveway. Keep the rubber side down, and we'll see you in the next one.